My channel is small, but I provide valuable and accurate information. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Your support means a lot to me.
I've got bad news for most XRP investors. And just so you guys know, this is where really not very intelligent people, their minds stop and they go right to typing on a keyboard and saying, this is clickbait. Well, most XRP investors are about to be priced out of the market. That would be considered bad news, right? Well, it's not for me. It's from the Crypto Basic. I'm going to read it to you and I'm going to teach you something from it because I haven't even read this story. I'm not joking. I know just the headline, and this is what it is. 95% of XRP holders are at risk of being priced out. Expert shares concerns and solutions. Now, let me explain something before I even read the story to you. Really intelligent investors, and I know that all of my students are there, okay? I've pounded this into your head, and you probably knew it before I even told you or tried to teach it to you. Expert investors, wealthy people, they care about market cap when it comes to them comparing whatever asset we're comparing to other assets in the same class, right? They don't look at price, all right? This is going to show you the total opposite. And this is going to be really exciting. Something extra that most people don't know. This is really cool. Did you know, type yes or no if you knew this. Most federal and state governments are not allowed to buy penny stocks. Did you guys know that? Yes or no? There are laws on the books that actually forbid hedge funds, certain mutual funds, because of risk appetite. Federal governments, state governments, they can't invest in penny stocks. Well, guess what? What do you think? What's the Google it real quick. What is the definition of a penny stock? What price? Guys, just put it down below. Now, when you think about this, there are a lot of pissed off and frustrated XRP holders. I get it. I've been holding XRP since January or February of 2017, right? I sold my house to buy XRP, still have all of it. And it's like, gosh darn, I've watched the SEC, go for, all this stuff. Well, they have to have this certain threshold over a certain price, right? And XRP is sitting at 250, but there are a lot of people going, I don't know if that qualifies though, right? So here's the deal. You need to see a higher price for a longer term on XRP before it can be legally purchased by a lot of certain specific entities, right? That's not exactly what this story's about, but let's read it together and I'm gonna share it with you. Oh, and I wrote it down. This is for Norma. That's backwards. Norma. She emailed me in the middle of the night last night and said she was putting together funds to buy the DeFi Pro course. We are going to extend it for 24 hours for Norma. So this is the Norma extension. All right. And Norma, I'm going to absolutely crush it for you. That is my promise to you. So if you guys want the extension for the price of the DeFi course, teaching how to use decentralized exchanges and buy coins before they hit big exchanges, that's the link down below. All right. And tomorrow everybody gets released the third coin pick. That's exciting. And it's doing very well. All right, here we go. In a recent video, Eduardo Farina, founder of Alpha Lions Academy, highlighted a growing concern within the XRP community. According to him, more and more holders are at risk of being priced out of the market as the value of XRP continues to surge. As of today, it now takes 2,500 XRP or $6,500 to land in the top 10% of holders. Man, hey, I'm going to piss off some XRP maxis real quick. You guys, do you guys mind? Type 1 if you're cool with that. Type 2 if you're like, no, Ninja, don't piss off the XRP maxis. Some people are losing their minds over the whole centralization versus decentralization. And I think to properly answer this, because too many people are website readers and they don't do a lot of thinking for themselves. Hold on. Let's do this really quick here. Stand by. We're banning someone. All right. So, hey, real quick. So what I'm doing is I'm going to show you something in the next 4 weeks that's so decentralized, it will make your head spin. And then you will compare that to said XRP and go, oh my, XRP is centralized. People are losing their minds. And then I'll debate people because you got to show them true decentralization before we can even have a talk of what decentralization versus centralization is. Do you guys agree with that? Type 1 if you agree with that. All right, here we go. So it says, meanwhile, a few months ago, 3,000 XRP would cost around 1,500 to enter the top holder's threshold. This rapid price increase raises alarms. As a result, Farina predicts that up to 95% of current holders may struggle to hold on to their investment in the long-term run. Just do me a favor. Don't try and chase that. I wanted to be in the top 500 wallets, and I was there, blah, 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 until just recently, because all these funds are buying up. And I knew this from experience. All these funds are buying up XRP and banks and all this stuff. And what they're doing is they're layering it into multiple wallets, and I'm just getting pushed down. Ninja's just getting shoved down. And it's okay, right? You just got to be happy. Now, it's good to have a goal. If you're like, I want to be in the top 1%, just know that you're going to have to keep buying XRP for the rest of your life. Because what's happening is more and more companies are getting wind of what XRP is doing, and they're crushing it, right? Their price is going to keep going up, and they're buying using other people's money. So if you're trying to be in the top 1%, I wouldn't stress out. In the last 5 months or 5 weeks, 6 weeks, I've shown you guys little projects to purchase. I mean, anyone own ACH? How do you like that action in ACH yesterday? And that's a Coinbase market, right? It's a big market, a liquid market. You know, you take those winnings, and I haven't sold in my ACH. I tripled my position, by the way, yesterday. I didn't announce it on YouTube, but that thing had spiked up after I bought it, and then just trickles down, trickles down. I wait like 2 or 3 weeks, and it comes down darn near to the price I paid for it. Well, if I believed in it back then, this is what I'm hoping all my students did. What do you think I think about now? I mean, actually, what's happened with ACH? Oh, they're busy in Hong Kong, which I should have been on a plane to Hong Kong talking to them. They're in Hong Kong right now setting up deals at Consensus. Is it Consensus 2025, Hong Kong? I think it is. And so I should be there. But my point being is I tripled my my amount because it trickled almost all the way down to what I paid for it and what I told you guys. So if I believed in it back then, why wouldn't I believe in it even more now? Because they're getting more work done. So I tripled my position. And look, it's like a green in a sea of red. So if any of you guys, if you guys want to take profits, hey, you're up. Check it out. I'm not. I'll let you guys do it first. I always let you guys do it first. And I'm going to hold on to that for a little bit longer anyway, because I think we got some more greener pastures ahead. So it says here, key mistakes leading to financial loss in one's XRP holdings. Farina explained the common mistakes he sees XRP holders making and put them at further risk of losing their investments. The first issue he identifies is poor key management. Without biometric identification on most wallets, if those holders lose their keys, they lose access to their funds. Gee, okay, that's just dumb. Everybody in the DeFi course recently has learned something that most people don't know when they use MetaMask or these hot wallets, is how to use a actual hardware device like a Trezor or a Ledger to secure that wallet. Isn't it funny that most people just don't know how to do that? Those are like the simple things we teach, because one of the ways that you make money is by not losing it. It's absolutely incredible to me how many people don't understand that. And I can't wait till we get deeper into other side chains and things like that. You know, it's funny right now, Solana is melting down in price. Yet, you know what's not melting down? Some of Solana's projects. But because most people don't know how to get to them, and we priced this course at like $25 and $35, it's now up to $100. That Solana meme coin course. A lot of people don't understand how valuable those things are, just knowing how to go and grab certain projects before they get to the markets. Anyway, look, I'm going to leave. If you guys want the Norma deal, and Norma, hopefully you're not driving and getting an accident right now because you heard your name by the ninja. But Norma emailed last night, and Norma's going to crush it this year. I'm going to go out on a limb and say, because she is willing to spend the money, her hard-earned money on education, and she is that committed to learning about specific aspects of DeFi, decentralized exchanges, things like that, she's going to absolutely crush it, because you guys are going to know when I get in and when I get out. All right, with that being said, everyone, the deal's on for 24 more hours. It got extended and the price is going up, and it's going to go up to a point where people get pissed off. That's okay. The Economic Ninja is out.